Well, the Supreme Court has rejected a plea against controversial passenger jetty and terminal project being built near Mumbai's iconic Gateway of India. Everyone wants the switch plants, but not near my house. That's what CJI BR Gawai said. While hearing this case, something good is happening in the city. See the benefit of coastal roads. Earlier, people traveling to South Mumbai would take 3 hours. Now it's just 40 minutes. That's what the CJI has remarked today. My colleagues Nupur and Radhika have the details.
Well, yes, today the Supreme Court has rejected this particular petition that was filed, citing that there was lack of public consensus, and also there were allegations that this jetty was in fact being built to cater to certain private individuals and for private ferries. However, the state government has categorically denied this claim and said that this jetty is being built for public usage, for the purpose of public infrastructure. Remember, this project, the controversial project that is being built near Gateway of India, is worth at least 230 crores, nearly 230 crores. And now petitioners had moved the Bombay High Court earlier, but the Bombay High Court is still hearing the case, but it has refused to grant an interim stay on the construction. Today, the Supreme Court noted that warned the petitioner against this "not in my backyard" syndrome that the CJI BR Gawai observed, that everyone wants development, but they don't want that a sewage should be built near their house or in front of their house. So he said that he also highlighted the benefits of the recent construction and said that earlier, where it used to take 3 hours to travel from Versova to South Bombay, now it just takes 40 minutes. So public infrastructure is for the benefits of the public, and now observing that the Bombay High Court is already apprised of the matter. It is scheduled to hear the case next on June 16. The Supreme Court refused to intervene and rejected this petition seeking a stay on the construction of the project.
The Supreme Court of India has rejected the plea that opposed the construction of passenger jetty and a terminal project that is to come up near the Gateway of India. In fact, I am at the project site. That's the Gateway of India, the iconic structure, and just about 250 meters away from Gateway of India is this jetty project that's going to come up. In fact, the residents of Colaba and Cuff Parade had approached the Apex Court after the High Court refused to stop the construction. Apex Court had asked High Court to expedite the matter. Today, Chief Justice of India remarking that everyone wants sewage plants but not near their house, also pointing at benefit of such projects. Now, to talk about this project, as you can see, this piling work has already begun. Maharashtra Maritime Board has begun the piling work, which is a process involving fixing concrete piles into the seabed. That has happened here. As far as this project is concerned, it is worth 229 crore rupees, located 250 to 80 meters from the Gateway of India, includes lounges, ticket counters, shops, offices, and also an amphitheatre. So berthing jetty, approach jetty, all will be a part of this project, and it will also reduce the pressure of the existing jetty near the Gateway of India. The residents here had been opposed to it, as they feel that this will affect the heritage structure close to this proposed jetty, and also will affect maritime life, and also a threat to public safety is something they have said in that particular petition. And the residents of Colaba and Cuff Parade feel that they were not consulted. All the stakeholders were not consulted before the project was in fact proposed.